How to lose weight fast. If you are wondering how to lose weight fast, set a realistic goal that you can achieve in the months to come without feeling stressed or pressurized. To lose weight in a healthy way, set your sights on losing about 1 kilogram of weight a week. Anymore, and you will be losing not just your fat but your muscle as well. Don't forget that a healthy diet and plenty of exercise will make you feel less tired and less stressed too. Here are some tips to lose weight in a very short period of time. 1. Add protein in every meal. Protein is an essential part of the healthy diet. However, having protein at all meal times accelerates weight loss. It leaves you feeling full for longer and helps lower your total body fat. Add sprouts or bean salad for breakfast. Toss a handful of fresh peas in your salad or soup with 8 grams of protein per cup. It is a great idea to snack on carrot and bell pepper sticks dipped in a yogurt dip. 2. Avoid refined carbohydrates and sugars. All refined carbohydrates break down in your body to produce sugar. This in turn will cause your blood sugar levels to rise. Refined carbohydrates and sugar also make you retain water and cause bloating. Avoid processed food. Avoid all additives, MSG, preservatives, artificial colors. These are foods you want to completely avoid as they are full of sodium. 5. Say goodbye to all fried foods. Skip all the deep fried chips, spring rolls, and your favorite junk food. It will seriously undo all your good work. The fat in fried foods are trans fats. They increase inflammation and free radical damage. 6. Add some pepper. Red pepper, when eaten early in the day, decreases food intake later in the day. Some credit the ingredient capsaicin for being the catalyst for decreasing overall calorie intake and increasing metabolism. 7. Drink more water. Pure water is the most beneficial form of liquid to consume. Water also acts as a natural appetite suppressant aiding weight loss. 8. Sleep well. A study found that when people were starved of sleep, late-night snacking increased and they were more likely to crave high-carb foods. Insufficient sleep impacts your hunger and fullness hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Then there is cortisol, the stress hormone that spikes when you get too little sleep. It is essential to have at least 7 to 8 hours of deep restful sleep per night. 9. Exercise. Do any exercise you enjoy, such as dancing, yoga, pilates, cycling, or a brisk walk. Exercise at least 4 times a week to boost effects of a healthy diet with added benefits of the feel-good endorphins. 10. Eat early. Foods eaten earlier in the day generates more energy than food eaten later in the day. Your metabolic rate is actually higher earlier on in the day, when helps you to burn as energy, whereas these same kilojoules consumed at night can be easily stored as fat. By following all the above tips, you can reduce weight in a very short period of time. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.